which is 2023 paper 1. We have a question on materials and energy, specifically electricity. So the question is saying the following diagram shows an electric circuit with two cells of equal voltage. Okay, so this circuit diagram has two cells. We have this 1 and 2. Okay, so 1, 2. Then we are told to say these cells are of equal voltage. So we have a switch here, we have an ammeter, we have two resistors. Okay, so we have resistor 1, we also have resistor 2. And then this is an ammeter. This is what we call an ammeter. This is an ammeter. This is an ammeter. Okay, this is an ammeter. Then you have this is a switch. This is a switch, and we have cells. Okay. Then you have these two resistors. Okay. Now the question is saying, what will be the voltage of a single cell? What will be the voltage of a single cell? Now in this case, we have two cells. And the question is, what will be the voltage for a single cell? So first and foremost, what we are going to do is we are going to find the total voltage of this circuit. Total voltage. Okay? So now how do you find the voltage? So we know we're going to say total voltage is equal to current times resistance. Okay? Current times resistance. That's the formula of finding what? Voltage. Okay? So now the current we have, the current is 2 amps. The current is 2 amps. Now we need to find the total resistance. Okay, for the two resistors. We have two resistors. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the total resistance. The total resistance. Since we want the total voltage, we need to have the total resistance. Okay? So let's find the total resistance and say, let's do this. Resistance total is equal to, now these two resistors are in series. Okay? These are in series. So since these two are in series, we're going to add R1 plus R2 for us to find the total resistance. So we say R1 plus R2. Okay? So resistance total is equal to R1 is what? 2 ohms. And then R2 is also 2 ohms. So we say 2 ohms plus R2 it is also what? 2. So 2 ohms. So resistance total is equal to 2 ohms plus 2 ohms get 4 ohms. So this is our total resistance. So total resistance is 4 ohms. The current, where do you get the current from? The current, you get the current from the ammeter. Okay, this is an ammeter. An ammeter measures current. So this one measures. Okay, so the function of an ammeter is to do what? To measure what? So this one measures the current. Okay? Ammeter measures what? Current. So our current is what? 2 amps. Okay? So where there is current is 2 amps. Current is 2 amps. You can now find the total voltage. So we say total voltage total is equal to, what's the current? The current is 2. So 2 multiplied by what is the total resistance is 4. Okay? So voltage total is equal to 2 times 4, you get 80 volts. So this is our total voltage. This is our total voltage for this circuit. Now, the question is, what will be the voltage of a single cell? Meaning, what is the voltage for one cell? Okay, so in our case, we have 2 cells sharing a total voltage of 8. Now the question is, what is the voltage for one cell? So we're going to say, since we have 2 cells in total, You say two cells are sharing a total voltage of 88 volts. Okay? What about one cell? So one cell is equal to what? Is equal to x. So these are going to go, when you cross multiply, you're going to have 2 times x to get 2. X is equal to 1 times 8 volts, you get 80 volts. So for us to remain with x, divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we divide by 2 on both sides. So these are going to go, x is equal to 2 into 8 is what? 4 volts. Okay? 4 volts. Okay? So one cell, so is therefore one cell is equal to 4 volts. Okay? 4 volts. So our answer in this case is B. So our answer is B. Okay? As simple as